Hey guys, yeah, I know. Shut the. Sorry, but I'm talking to my gay ass brother. He's not really gay, but he's an ass, so. I'm going to bring a review on the Remington Tac1. Airsoft gun. It's plastic. It used to be a clear gun that you could see through, but I spray painted it. If you're wondering what this is right here, it's epoxy because I broke off the handle the day I got it on my birthday. So, oh well. It is a pump action shotgun. So, yeah. Also comes with a adjustable stock that can go on and off the gun. As you can see, you can make it to about 6 different sizes. Has a magazine, just I don't like putting a magazine in because then it looks like more cool. Has the tactical pistol grip. Safety, as I said, right here. And the trigger guard. We got a mounting area. A sling bay right here. I ripped off the orange cap at the end, so just looks better. It's a pretty comfortable gun. I'm probably gonna make videos on it with GoPro. Just walk around and shoot dogs. I'm probably gonna make a whole bunch of videos on this shotgun, but that's pretty good. It's here's some more in-depth review on it. It shoots 6mm BBs, plastic, not steel. And it says the stupid old warning thing. I'm just gonna file all this shit off. So yeah, I suppose there's nothing. Oh yeah, here's the hop up right here. And that's pretty much it. And it's much better, but I might as well show you, because you might be a noob like I used to be at Airsoft. You pull this back, then slide it off, which is like impossible, so I find it kind of hard with one hand. But my brother doesn't, because he's 23. And he has gigantic frigging muscles. You know, I'm just gonna edit out his voice. Yeah? I'm talking to my brother. Okay. Why am I talking to him in a review? So, that's a shotgun. Like it? In a magazine, I believe you can load in like maybe 20 rounds. This one came up with a speed loader, a red dot, which I can't find, that I lost. I got this on Amazon, and I painted it. And you can also buy bigger magazines that don't shoot 20 rounds. So, yeah. Warning, do not sit on it, because this will fall off. So, yeah, I guess it's the end. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Or did I say that in the wrong order? Yes, I said that in the wrong order. Whatever. But, whatever. I suppose there is no order to say. So, there you go, Remington Tac1. Bye-bye.